Welcome back, guys. Today I thought I'd just post up a quick video on how to deal with a particular type of boot error. I get it sometimes when I don't install a bootloader during a Linux installation. Sometimes if I don't want to interrupt or contaminate my booting process, I'll do an install of a distribution, and I'll select not to install a bootloader. And occasionally, when I do that, I'll get a little bit of a boot error. And I'll show you the boot error. I took a picture of the error. Hopefully, you can see it well enough on my camera. Let's see. This is it right here. So you can see that it says no device specified for hibernation. Then it gives me a device UUID not found. Skipping FSCK, unable to find root device. Okay, so when that happens, you won't be able to boot into your new install. I'm going to show you how to fix that. You see this number ending in 467? Just remember that one, okay? Now what you'll do is you'll boot into your main system that's controlling your boot process. You're going to open your file manager. You can open up your file manager as root. So in this case I'm using Thunar. So let's go gk sudo Thunar. And let's go to file system, boot, grub, and grub config will open with LeafPad. Okay, now you'll need to open up this kind of wide. Let's see. Okay, so because the lines that you're going to edit are pretty long, then you're going to open up your terminal and you're going to run lsblk-f, and under the partition that you installed your Linux to, you want that UUID. So see, mine is SDC4. What I want you to do is copy that UUID. Copy, and you're going to have to paste it in several different locations. Now you're going to scroll down your grub config file, and when you get to the SDC4 entries, just keep scrolling and be careful when you do this because this can really mess up your system. See, I'm on SDB2. Okay, you need to scroll all the way down to the petition in question, and that's right here, SDC4. So what I want you to do is look for any place, since on that photo, if you remember the error message I had ending in 467, you need to replace that. Every entry you see under SDC4, the petition that you used for your install, need to replace every entry with the correct UUID. So make sure you scroll over because there might be some hiding, so that's why you need this open fairly wide. So you need to replace every instance. So I'm going to highlight that one and paste in the correct one. You see that? So you see where I pasted in that correct one. So now I want to scroll down and I want to find any others. Here's one more here. So I want to take that out, paste in the correct one. Keep scrolling. Found another one and paste in the correct one. Now you'll only do that for the entries in the petition that you're concerned about. And I found 3. I'm going to scroll over just to make sure I don't see any others ending in 467. So give it a good look. Make sure you don't have anything ending in 467. They all need to be ending in 4CE3 because that is your root partition and that's what you want to boot to. So once you're done with that, then you're going to click File, Save, and you're going to reboot your machine into your new install. So all you'll need to do is reboot. So guys, just reboot after you edit that grub config file and you will boot into your correct system. Guys, thanks for stopping by the channel today. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Take care.